Is the most important skill that impacts my career as a doctor? Okay, if you would like a single answer for this question, the answer is point of care ultrasound. And let me tell you why. With ultrasound, and by the way, this is my pocket ultrasound that I carry with me all the time. You can see what others cannot see. You can diagnose what others cannot diagnose. Over the last 10 years, point of care ultrasound has impacted our daily routine practice, and it is now one of the main components of precision based medicine. Over the last 10 years, we have upgraded our training programs and workshops until we have a mature model that you can enjoy learning and get certified in point of care ultrasound. This new diploma program that we are offering now in Canada is now available to all practitioners worldwide. You don't need to travel to North America for training. You can join one of our workshops and apply for the diploma program. The program provides online training resources and a new style of workshop that allows you to practice with enough time for personalized hands-on training. During the workshop, you will practice real scenarios with immediate feedback. You will learn how to use artificial intelligence in diagnosis by ultrasound. I will share fascinating scenarios and stories about how we diagnose and treat severe conditions in their early stages. I will also show you how we exclude wrong diagnosis in other cases and save patients from being exposed to unnecessary interventions. Wait for these exciting stories.